Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use AI Speak on OnePlus. AI Speak is a function that reads the screen, so you might call it a screen reader, and that's what I actually call it. But if you want to call it AI Speak, feel free to do so. If you want to use it, you need to use a supported app. So it'll either be like Google, for example, or any other browser, or it may be some news app, including Google News if you have that. Some other apps will also be supported, but there's no full list of apps supported anywhere, so you just need to find out on your own. Now, to use it, before you do that, make sure that you have AI Smart Bar turned on. The Smart Bar is on most probably on your right side, but it may be anywhere on the side of the screen. You can see it's this bar that if you slide it, opens some options. And now as I go to Google and let's maybe search for something, let's see some information about Olympics 2024. Okay, now I have different things here. I'll just open an article. Yeah, I think it'll be fine here. Let's just open the AI Smart Bar, and you can see it shows the AI Speak function. I have the 2x speed turned on, but now it should work.
Held on the Olympic course to history making gender parity among participating athletes.
You can skip to further paragraphs, of course. You can replay, and you can change the speed as well as change the voice to either male or female.
From 14-year-old Arisa True become.
And that's basically it. If it doesn't work for you, if you don't have it on the Smart Bar, then either you're in an unsupported app or you have smart functions in the Smart Bar disabled in settings, or if you don't have the bar, you have it disabled. To do all of that, go to Accessibility and Convenience, Smart Sidebar, and Smart Sidebar has to be enabled. Once it's enabled, you'll see it somewhere. You can also go to Floating Bar and adjust its option to either hide it or not hide it. And smart functions need to be enabled in order for AI Speak to be available. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.